Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll give you guys a quick tutorial on how to use Alight Motion on your phone if you guys are new to the app and if you guys want to edit videos and want to make them look really interesting and unique in different ways. So at first, you must download your app and sign up into Alight Motion, and if you guys don't know how to sign up or how to create an account on Alight Motion, you can check out our video which will be at the description right down below. So at first, you are here on your home page. This is called the home page. You'll see many things, many tutorials here, and there will be many instructions or the challenges right here. You can see camera objects challenge, Alight Motion 4.0. There will be many things, but this will not be in use for us because we are going to learn the basics. So at side of home page, you'll see the tutorials. Here there will be tutorials of many things which will be interesting and which might be in need or which might be useful to you in future or right now. You can see more sample projects are right here, and it will open a different window from Chrome or the browser on default. So here you can click on anything and you can learn anything that there is. You can even click on getting started and you'll see many things. There will be step-by-step tutorial on how to create many things. You can learn from there, and if you are done with getting started, you can click on next steps and other things will be displayed and other things will be taught to you as well. So if you guys wanna create a video, I've already taught you in my last video. You need to click on this plus sign, and if you guys want to know more, you do check out our video on that to see how you can edit videos on Alight Pro. So at projects, it will be all of your videos that you have edited on this app. This is the video I edited to show you guys how to edit a video on Alight Pro. And on elements, there will be many things which you can download and use it on your videos or elements. Here you can see elements of a dog, text, and many things which will make your video or your element look more unique and different in a good way. So this is a brief tutorial, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.